Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy terrific Tuesday. I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back this morning. We're going to do, I've actually done the video, the email, but I want to show you guys something here. So before we get into that though, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, and check out this FTC disclaimer here on the screen because we cannot make any income claims or guarantees. All right, so what we got here is we're gonna go over here and let's check out in our Let's Go app, the Home Business Academy here. Today's quote, it says, "Opportunity is missed by most people because it's dressed in overalls and looks like work." Wow. By Thomas Edison. All right, I love these quotes when I go in here. The company puts quotes in here, but you can also add your own quotes. All right, so that's what comes up for today. Today is the December 30th, 2025, guys. The year is almost over, 2025. Have you decided what you're going to do for 2026 with this making money online home business space? I know a lot of you just been checking it out, all the different opportunities, but haven't figured out which program you're going to get into. It's time to get busy. It's time to get busy. What are you going to do different this year? All right, and a lot of people have just been sitting watching a lot of programs, taking a lot of information in, but haven't actually started anything. Okay, it's time to get busy. All right, we've got some great opportunities over here of affiliate programs that we promote. I've been an affiliate marketer since 2012. I've seen it all, done it all. Bought a bunch of programs just like you probably initially. When I first got started, because I was new, didn't know what I was doing. All right, and now we've got some programs, guys, that you don't have to guess what you should do. I had to do a lot of guessing, a lot of unnecessary spending time, money on different things that didn't work because I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, not your fault, but now we've got programs that out the gate, they've got the training, they got the coaching, all this stuff is included. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars for. All right, so go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, which is right here, right? www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check out our programs and see what we got going on. All right, now let's get into this. Check it out. All right, so let's go in here. As you can see, we're in our Home Business Academy dashboard. All right, this is the whole system. I really like the way they got this whole platform set out, the format of it all. It's an actual app that you can download on your phone and have it on your desktop, guys. Very simple. Simple is what wins. All these complicated things out here, complicated comp plans, you don't have to worry about that over here. Home Business Academy pays 80% across the board for each product. Okay, very simple. They got 4 products: Let's Go, Funnel Builder Academy, Premium, Financial Literacy. 80% of each one, right? So Let's Go is 10 a month. You're gonna earn $8 over and over and over. Funnel Builder Academy is $25 a month. You earn $20 commissions. These high converting funnels, all your marketing sales pages is in the Funnel Builder Academy. You can get started for $25. All right. The premium is the coaching, training, marketing, traffic. It's the top tier. Okay, residual program, $125 a month. You earn $100 every time you promote that, and this is residual. These 3 are residual. That's month after month. Sell a product one time to your customer, and you get paid month after month over and over as long as they keep these memberships. And the value is here. Okay, The value is here with this program. So I see it. So I want to keep it. All right. And then we have the Financial Literacy Academy, which is a course. Okay. It retails for $1,000. One time, no monthly fees. You'll be able to earn $400 or $800 commissions on this one. If someone comes in within the first 7 days and they purchase this Financial Literacy Academy, under your link, you're going to earn $400. Okay. If they purchase it after the introductory 50% off, then you'll earn $800 if they decide to buy it after 7 days. Okay. So that's a great way to earn $400 and $800 commissions promoting this product. All right. So they've got the products here. And they've got the training, live coaching, the replays, everything you need is here now. And they've added now these premium tools. The premium tools is under the premium membership. The Prompt Write AI, all these are proprietary products. They own these, they created these. So you're not going to be able to go out and buy these, the names of these. You're not going to be able to go out and buy these. Of course, there's other ones out there that's similar. All right. But these are owned by the Home Business Academy. Okay, so you definitely want to join us over here, and they have a great community. This program's been around for 10 years. That's number one. The owners are present. Number two, they actually do answer questions, and they're live on these different trainings. Right now, we're on winter break. Okay, as far as the masterminds because of the holiday. All right, as you can see right here, but everything, the coaching, everything will resume on January 5th. Meanwhile, you can go over here under live coaching and get all the replays. All right, the masterminds, what's working now, marketing on Mondays. The last Monday guest presentation, you can invite folks to this. Okay. It's monthly. They got the coaching for the premium, the over-the-shoulder training. Guys, when I tell you, they show you the owners, okay, and the community. But I haven't seen a program where the owners are out here answering these questions. I have another one like it, but it's very rare that you see the owners day in, day out. And they're out here Monday through Friday doing this, all right? So everything you need is right here under one roof. All right. Great stuff. Great stuff. I'm really enjoying here lately my premium tools. I'm using these two here, Prompt Write AI and the image generator. All right. And with this Prompt Write AI, I'm able to come over here and create my email headlines, my whole emails. I can create prompts for different things, even for YouTube videos, titles. I mean, on and on and on. You just ask it, tell it what you want, and it will create it for you. And I'm able to save them over here, as you can see, under my prompts. But then they have the done for you prompts as well. All right. So with my emails, I come over here and I create them, and then I save them over here. Okay. And then what we've been doing here, the last week, is we've been using My Lead Gen Secret because it gives us 100 leads, well 200. I have 200 because I have at least one member, and it gives me 200 leads every day, all right, that I can send out to business opportunity seekers. All right, so we've been doing this for the last week. And I've already sent it for this morning, so I just want you guys to see what we got going on here. Let me refresh. Hang on. All right, so we click our stats. Yeah, I just sent this. It's in queue. But yesterday, guys, look, we decided to go ahead and use all the emails, the leads that I had in the system for over 3 years ago. And as you can see, folks, again, still people have their same emails most of the time. You know, sometimes they'll put in or give you a bogus one, right? At times, of course. But it seems that those folks are active. So as you can see, before we started using the old ones, The last email before we started using all the old ones was at 3,500. These are the fresh ones that they gave me because I just came back in, on the 18th, 19th, right? These are the fresh ones, but just think, it looks like, and slowly you'll still see people start opening emails. Okay, you won't see all that happen at once, but if you look, so far out of 124,600, 4,000. And let's think about that. 3,500, let's go with that, was the old ones, right? So we don't know which ones that opened it, but at any rate, they're still telling me at least almost 1,000 have been opening, and that will happen over time. But the name of the game is exposure. That's what we're trying to do. Get people to look at our offer, and we're sending them over here. Okay, we're sending them to our link for the Home Business Academy. We go into my business and we go here. Now the only other thing that I did that I wasn't doing, which is fine, I went here and I created a tracker, and I put my lead gen secret as my track, and then I copied it, even though I'll be able to know, because if they sign up in my lead gen secret, I can go under my leads and look at the names of the people as well. But I went ahead and I created a tracking link. Okay, but this is the page that I'm sending those leads to. I don't need to send them to a capture page because they're already a lead. So I'm sending them to this page right here. Okay. And why I like this page, like it says, it's the all-in-one. So they'll get to see this presentation here. That's 33 minutes. And it explains the program. Not to mention, it talks about the two products, right? The funnel builder, and it talks about the premium. That's what's on this page. How to earn $20 and $100 commissions. Okay. And then it shows them down here other folks. So it explains all that, but then it shows you the funnel builder, right? So they get to see that in action. And see, like it says here, again, you don't have to learn all the ins and outs of the funnel builder. You can just use it as is. Okay, that's kind of how I started. I just wanted to use funnels they already have. I don't need to be a guru of funnel building. I just need to use them, right? And so it talks about that, and it shows you, everything, all the details. So it explains everything, so we don't have to. But then it shows you other people. That's what I like, that people love to see. Is this working for other folks? It mentions all the bonuses. This one page, they're all in one. And then when they get down here, see, it shows the owners. So they'll know, okay, this is real. They see the folks here. Then this, I like this. There is testimonies of how people feel about the community here. And then here's the testimonies of people that's gotten results. So this one page does it all. Okay? Does it all. So that's why we're sending folks here. Okay? All in one page. Talks about a guarantee. So people can see here, 3 days, go through the system, get the bonus. If they don't like it, they get a refund. I mean, everything is here. Explains it all. All right, so that's how we're doing it with the My Lead Gen Secret. Now, I'm thinking of probably shortly here, we're going to also set up another account for another business opportunity. You can do that. So we'll just use this one strictly for Home Business Academy, and then we'll set up another one, and you can sign up under your own link. Right, here's one of your links right here. All your links, matter of fact, are here. You get tools. You can sign up under your own link, create you another account, and use that account, which is going to give you 100 leads a day, right? Till you get your first person that you refer, then you'll be getting 200 leads a day. But you'll be getting, that's 3,000 leads a month. You can use that other account for another business opportunity. Okay, but yeah, I want to just use this one strictly for HBA. All right, and that's kind of what we're doing here. Of course, this is just one method. Remember, I showed you guys there's lots of free ways, free methods you can do to promote your opportunity. There's paid ways too. This is a paid way. This is not free because you're paying $30 a month for this system right here so that you can get 3,000 leads a month. All right, it's a one-time setup of 30, so 60 bucks you get the system. You get all those pages I was showing you, all those links that you can promote it, and you get that mailer system. All you have to do is log in here and go to mailer and send your mail out every day. Okay, so that's it. That's all for today on this morning. I wanted you to see what we got going on here, but you can sign up for both of these. You can go to coffeeandcoins.info or just go to the links in the description. You can get started with the Home Business Academy, all right, for a whole $25 today, or you can get Let's Go for 10. Okay, they have that as well, but this page right here, the all-in-one, is really, 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 really critical. Okay, in this business, this is the one that ties it together, right? This one. So personally, the all-in-one, I like to call it the $25 digital business. I would recommend getting Let's Go as well, though. It's just a prerequisite because it's the personal development app. You want to have a daily routine, an app that's going to help you put it all together. All right, look at this. Tells me here. I made a note that I want to make a video a day. Email my list, yada yada. So I'm doing that now. I'm talking to you. Oh, okay. I've emailed my list too. I just did that. So hey, I got these tasks completed for the day. And remember, this is an app, so it's on your phone too. All right, you can take notes. You got a journal. You got those quotes like I just showed you. You go in here and show gratitude. They got the social where you can see recognition where people are getting paid. Does this work? Look at this. All day long. It's live. It's a live feed. So you can come here and you kind of see for yourself. Well, is this working for people? Look. Okay. Pretty cool stuff. So go check it out. Get started today. If you have any questions, my info is in the description. And again, I will provide you guys, if you get started with me in My Legion Secret or HBA, I'll provide you some emails because I'm using the tools over here, the premium tools, and I'm able to go to Prompt Write AI and create as many prompts as I want, emails, ads, all types of things, guys. So I'll be happy to send you some of those emails as well. That's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe. Have a blessed day.